Hello children, how are you? I am speaking Amita. Here we will discuss about uses of flower. Here we will discuss about uses of flower. In previous session already discussed about function of a flower, what is flower and seasonal flower, non-flowering plants and parts of a flower. So here discuss about uses of flower. So before start this topic, I will request to all please subscribe, like and more share and press that button for upcoming notification and including with knowledge and upcoming next chapter from class 4th and 5th as a topic wise chapter in this video already taken. Okay, so let's start without any wasting time. Uses of flowers. Flowers bring color and freshness to our lives. We use flower in a number of ways. In previous session already know flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Plant has different types of flower. These flowers are very size, shape, colors and fragrance. Here uses of flowers. So flowers bring color and fragrance already know to our lives. We use flower in number of ways. This is given below. We can see on your screen. Firstly take as food, spices, as medicine, for making colors, for making perfumes, for decoration, for greeting and floral design. Here we will discuss about two categories in this video: spices and as a food and spices. And next video we will come about this topic, and I will put up these video links in this video description box, and previous video session about the previous video link I will put up in this video description box. So let's start as a food and spices. The flowers bring colors and freshness, we already know, to our lives. Flowers bring colors and freshness to our lives. We use flower in a number of ways as flower, spices, medicine, for making colors, for making perfume, for decoration, for greeting and floral design. And next slide we will come as a food. Here we will discuss about as a food. You can see this diagram on your screen. This is a cauliflower and broccoli. These flowers when cooked as vegetable and we eat. Okay, we eat we eat as a flower. We eat this vegetable as a flower. This is the cauliflower and broccoli. So here we will discuss and know about as a food. We eat certain flowers when cooked as vegetable. For example, cauliflower and broccoli. Here we can see on your screen, this is a cauliflower and broccoli. So we can say here the eat certain flower. We eat certain flower like cauliflower and broccoli as a vegetable. Okay, when cooked as a vegetable. This is a flower. Cauliflower and broccoli is flower, but cooked as a vegetable, but eat it as a vegetable. For example, cauliflower and broccoli. So very important uses of flower for our life, as a food, as a medicine, as a spices, for making color, for making perfumes, for decoration, for greeting and floral design. Here only two category we will discuss, as a flower and as a spices. So as a flower, this is a cauliflower and broccoli we eat as a vegetable, but this is a flower. We eat certain flowers when cooked as vegetable. For example, cauliflower and broccoli. This is a broccoli and here cauliflower. So cauliflower and broccoli is flower, but we eat and when cooked as a vegetable. And next slide will come as spices. This all this is a different diagram you can see on your screen. This is a saffron. Saffron comes from this flower, clove and caper. So as spices, the most expensive spice, saffron, we already know. This saffron used in uh, uh, for milk and another food item. We will use, we already used in saffron. So here we can see here, this diagram on flower comes from this, saffron comes from this flower saffron. Okay, this is a very expensive spices. This is a clove, and here we can see here clove is a very useful spices in our food. Okay, so the most expensive spices, saffron. Here we can see on your screen. This is a saffron diagram. Is made by drying parts of crocus flower. This is a crocus flower. Okay, is made by drying parts of crocus flower. This is a crocus flower and drying parts of a crocus flower. This is the drying parts of a crocus flower. Okay, clove and caper are other flower used as spices. This is cloves and caper. This is flower. Clove is flower and caper is flower, are other flower used as spices. So as a spices, saffron comes from dry parts of crocus flower. Clove and caper is also flower and used as a spices in our food. Okay, so this is a very important topic for class 4 with CBSC pattern. So we will CBSC pattern. So this video we end right here, and all of you are requested by heart. Please subscribe, like and more share. Press red button for upcoming notification and upcoming next video mixed with knowledge, and already taken chapter wise the NCRT pattern for very eligible or knowledgeable topic for children. So gain knowledge from this channel, and again please go and subscribe, like and more share. Press red button this science fact channel. So goodbye, take care, stay tuned, think positive, do positive, and defeat to coronavirus. Stay in home. God bless.